Hello everybody, my name is Phil and welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. Today's video is an exciting one because we're going to be unboxing some products, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so I have a box here full of products. Do you want to know what they are? They came from CarGuy Supply. Jason at Chicago Auto Pros now has an online store and he sells a ton of products, some very well-known products, G-Technic and a bunch of other ones, but we have some special products from overseas. Let's check them out. So like I said before, these came from the CarGuy Supplies store, the online store that is run from Chicago Auto Pros. Now this is just going to be an unboxing of the products that I have in here. Now, here's what we're talking about. AM Details products. They are here in the US and you can buy them there. Now, you can get all of their products here now, and I'm super excited about this because Alan at AM Details, I have links to their website and YouTube channel down below. Check them out. He has a beautiful shop. He's an awesome guy. Great channel. He does a lot of work with roofs polishers and a ton of other things, and he makes his own products as well. So we're going to just look at the products that were sent to us here. I believe I pretty much have their whole line here. We'll kind of go over the list of them. But I wanted to get my hands on them, test them out, do some reviews, do some how-tos with them. I really love the packaging on these. I like all these little bottles too. I like the size of them. They don't come in bulk items. They always come in, you know, the smaller sizes like this. Not sure why he only does it this way, but I'm okay with that. So this is their all-purpose cleaner. It's a citrus-based cleaner, and smells really nice and fresh too. Really nice scent. So we'll do some videos on this, but basically this can be used exterior, interior, pretty much anything and everything. So look forward to using this product. We also have, this is not going to be in any particular order, just as I take them out of the box here. They're AM Bubbles. This is their luxury car shampoo. Really excited about using this stuff. This shampoo, AM Details of course uses. Smells really nice too. And a lot of people use this shampoo actually. Jim White from White Details uses it. Quite a lot of other detailers use it. I know these products are already in the US. A lot of guys have ordered them. They got their hands on them. But, you know, now through this website, it's so much easier. They're always running discounts and stuff like that, which is really cool. So look out for that in our channel as well. We'll be offering some of those things. Here's their ceramic hybrid wax. It's a paste wax. This stuff smells incredible. Ugh, it smells good. It's like a strawberry fruity smell to it. So we'll be testing that out. They also have a metal polishing paste. So this is kind of like a gooey paste metal polish basically. So we'll be checking that product out. I usually like to use products like this on chromes, chrome wheels, and exhaust pipes. Polishes them up really nicely. So here we go. Now we have our wheel wax. So this is the high temperature wheel wax that can be used. That has a nice scent to it as well. That can be used on your wheels. And if you check out their videos, AM Details videos, you will see how they use each of these products. Here's a really interesting one I wanted to try out. Their AM Rain. So this is like a Rain-X product. And yeah, it's supposed to be window rain repellent. And let's see what they say. Pretty simple application. And apply to glass. Use a microfiber. Allow 15 minutes between applications. And it says up to 2 months. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. You can probably put maybe 2 to 3 applications on your glass. So we'll test this product out. Now I already have their AM trim that I purchased from the site here, from the Car Guy Supply, and I also have their clay bar, which I've tested out already, which I really, really like. I'll be doing some more videos with the trim product. This is their exterior trim sealant. So what else do we have? Ooh, now we have their premium Carnauba Wax. So I kind of like the lineup of different colors here. So this is their Carnauba. That has a nice fruity smell to it as well. So that's kind of cool. I like their little color setup here. I'm not a big fan of paste waxes, but you know, I'll probably use these for my own vehicle, maybe for a few customers' vehicles to test them out. Here we have, what is this? Their acid-free wheel cleaner. Oh, this is interesting. So, most likely a very strong Earle all-purpose cleaner. There we go. Took a minute to focus there. So, this you can use on pretty much all wheels. And it says tangy orange wheel cleaner. You're not supposed to eat it. Designed to use for tough stains on all wheels. So that's cool. So we'll check this product out for cleaning wheels. Ooh, we have their AM dress. So this is a water-based dressing. I know, I have to smell this product. Ah, yeah, that smells nice. Kind of coconutty. So, yeah, nice smelling products. Not really a must-have, but they just make the whole experience nicer. Then we have their Quick Detailer Plus. So this must have some added protection. And, oh yeah, that's really nice smelling also. So we'll check that Quick Detailer out. Oh, this was one of the products I really was excited to try. Their AM Glaze. Now, they kind of use this not as a true all-in-one. This is their paint cleaner and, you know, light polish. And they use this a lot on their, I forget what the AM details, if it's their protection service. I forget what they name their services. I'll put it here on the screen. But they use this as their paint cleaner and polish. It does say all-in-one paint glaze. So, you know, a glaze is not a wax, it's not a sealant, but it does leave some sort of synthetic protection behind. It fills in some swirls and marring and things like that, even though coupled with the correct pad, it can do minor correction. You're not talking about crazy swirl removal, just cleaning up the paint and making it look super glossy and removing maybe minor marring that might be on the paint, maybe some hazing that might be on the paint. So they use this product a lot. You can use it to basically polish up things, and then they will use their sealant and their waxes. That smells nice, kind of grapey. So excited to use their AM Glaze. Ooh, now we have their seal, AM Seal. So this is like their premium sealant that they use. And generally, they will, of course, clean the paint using AM bubbles. They will clean your wheels using AM wheels properly. They do the whole APC rinse. So they will polish the paint with AM Glaze. Then they will seal it with AM Seal. And then they will put either of these waxes, paste protection, on top of that. And they allow curing in between these. I forget how long it was, an hour or so, in between those layers. So you're adding multiple layers of protection. So very interested to try out the sealant. And this is kind of like a nice spray application. It's a very, you know, liquidy product. So it's just a true sealant, paint sealant. And let's see what some of the directions say in the back. We'll get into this later when we start making more of these how-to videos. But it says it can build up in layers to give a deeper gloss and extended life. So we'll get into this a little bit more when we start doing how-tos. So this is their synthetic paint sealant. All right, let's see what else we got. Oh, their AM iron. Now, I remember on their channel they said they wanted an iron remover that had a little bit thicker viscosity to stick onto the paint and onto the tires. This can be used on, not tires, but wheels. This can be used on pretty much any painted surface, any of the surfaces, really, your paint, your wheels, your glass, to remove any of the iron deposits. And you can tell it's got a little bit of thickness to it. So we'll test out this product, see how well it does as an iron remover. I'm not going to smell this product because usually iron removers are kind of smelly. So when we start working with it, I'll give you my opinion on that. And then we have their AM glass, so their glass cleaner. We'll give this a try. And you know I'm not a big fan of cleaning glass. I hate it. But if you have a good cleaner, then it can make it a joy to work with. And it just smells like alcohol and some other chemical. So we'll give that a try on our glass. I know it's a lot of dye in there. It's blue. I'm not really a fan of tinted products like this, you know, as far as glass cleaners and things, but you know, it's not always a big deal. You're dealing with glass. You don't want to clean white seats with it because it's blue, obviously. So, you know, use it for its intended purpose and you'll be fine. So let's see what else I think that is it. So guys, here's the whole lineup of products that we received. Really excited about using all of these. So I will be making a video on each of them, and really it will be more of a how-to. So we'll start with the all-purpose cleaner. We'll show you how to use an all-purpose cleaner, what they're used for, both inside the vehicle and out. And we'll use the AM APC to test that out. And then we'll kind of go along the process of detailing your vehicle with each of these products and their intended use, and give you some insight as to the quality of the products, of course, and where you can buy them. So check out CarGuySuppliescom and Chicago Auto Pros as well, because they hooked me up with all these products, which I am super happy and very excited to try them out. So that's it for the unboxing of the products. I hope you're excited as I am to try these products out, because I've been watching AM Detail's channel for a long time, and every time I see them use their products, I want to get my hands on them, but the shipping and all of that overseas to where they are is just a lot. And now that they're here, I want to start using them and trying them out. Some of these I'll be using on my own vehicle. Some of them I'll be using on customers' vehicles. That way you can kind of get an idea of not only how to use them on your own vehicle in a controlled environment like this, but even on mobile jobs. These products can be used on mobile jobs, of course. So super excited to try them out. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Like it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And click that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. And if you're interested in buying these products, if you want to get your hands on AM Detail's products, then click the link down below to CarGuySupply.com and Jason will hook you up. Click the link down below and put the code in to get your discount. And stay tuned, because we're going to be doing some more videos with Chicago Auto Pros, Jason and his team. And check out his channel down below. I have a link to it as well. They have a ton of awesome stuff. They have a beautiful shop that they just built, and they do amazing work. And they do a ton of different things. So they're in a shop. They do the in-house detailing, of course, in and out. They do tinting. They do wraps. They do coatings, paint corrections. They do the works. They are a incredible team of guys over there pumping out some amazing work. And they can share it with you as well. So go check out their channel and enjoy their videos also. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.